Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we're gonna talk about this, not portable, but actually it's kind of like one of those that you can take in between places in your house, or put it in a place that you want to do some kind of showcasing of your clothes and everything, or like a business, like a small business as well. This brand sent this rack to me, and I have to say a few things. Number one, the assembly process. My wife did it. It's not hard at all, but it has a ton of steps, So you will have to put each one of this kind of like frames. You're gonna set up the frame first, and then you're gonna set up this kind of like logs, and then put the shelves on top, and then make sure that you have this arrangement right here. So again, it's not hard, but it takes some time. So I would say spare some 45 to 60 minutes, depending if you're having any help or not, and then you will be all set. But again, it's not hard at all. In case that you want to use this one in multiple places, the best thing you can do is just kind of like disassemble just the middle part, and just take the middle part up and take it out, and that's it, and leave the frame with the wheels, because this one comes with wheels. So that is really cool, that comes with the wheels, so you can transport it in between places or rooms if you also want. And by the way, it also comes with locks on the wheels, so as soon as you put the locks, this thing won't move too much. Let's take a closer look. So at the bottom part, you're gonna have a few shelves, for example, for shoes. You can put some shoe boxes or just the shoes, and you will be able to put two, for example, in the same line, up to size 8, 8.5. More than that, it will be just one per line. And you have that bottom shelf over there with the wheels and everything, and you also have this shelf over here. That's kind of like the bottom part. By the way, each one of the shelves, you can adjust the height by these lines over here. Each one of this line is kind of like one change of height. So you can take that one into account, making sure that you can rearrange every shelf as much as you can, depending how many things you're gonna put in each one of the shelves. Middle part right here, another shelf, and this will be more for like, for example, like shirts or blouses or things like that. You can use this one right here, and you can see that it has a really nice amount of room to put more than just a few. So you can use this one for shorter stuff, and then you can use this one for longer stuff. For example, like dresses or coats or things like that, you can use this one. Again, pretty nice amount of room to put many things. Last but not least, the top part, you have one more shelf. Remember that you can rearrange the height as much as you can. And then the top shelf, that would be perfect for purses or boxes or things like that. Okay, so you have this 79-inch tall by 45 inches wide rack that you can rearrange every single shelf. And of course, with the wheels, it's so convenient to have. I give it a thumbs up, and I totally recommend it.